Meaning of faithfulness.
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 Faithfulness. Faithfulness is the quality of being loyal and steadfast. It refers to the ability to remain committed and true to one's principles, beliefs, and promises. In a personal context, faithfulness can refer to fidelity in a romantic relationship or a sense of devotion to one's family and friends. In a professional context, it can refer to a commitment to one's job duties and responsibilities. Overall, faithfulness is an important trait that is highly valued in personal and professional relationships, as it helps to build trust and foster strong connections between individuals.